In this video, we'll be revealing the top 5 winning products for February 2024 that are guaranteed to sell like hotcakes. This video, I'm going to be showing you the ad that's currently going viral, the competitor's website, and where you can source this product. So grab a snack, sit back, and let's dive into the world of e-commerce. It's time to turn those online shopping habits into profits. Our next product is the portable wrist yarn holder. Sell the portable wrist yarn holder for effortless knitting and crochet on the go. Targeted at craft enthusiasts, especially travelers, it ensures yarn stays organized and within reach. With a compact design, it accommodates various yarn weights and minimizes tangles. Hang it on your wrist or bag for convenience. Say goodbye to messy yarn and hello to portable ease with this essential tool for knitting and crochet enthusiasts. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 5.3K likes, 600 comments, 1K share. Now, if we take a look at the winning store selling price for portable wrist yarn holder, is just under $19.97, whereas the product cost is only $1.60. So you are looking at a good profit margin. Our next product is the Men Business Smartwatch. Sell the Men Business Smartwatch to the modern man who values connectivity, productivity, and style. Targeted Facebook ads should focus on professionals, entrepreneurs, and tech-savvy individuals aged 25 to 45 who lead busy lives and prioritize efficiency. Highlight its features like phone sensing, notifications, health tracking, and sleek design. Emphasize its ability to streamline daily tasks while complementing any outfit. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 1.7K likes, 463 comments, 105 share. Now, if we take a look at the winning store selling price for Men Business Smartwatch, is just under $89, whereas the product cost is only $7.58. So you're looking at a good profit margin. Our next product is the High Brightness Wireless LED Strobe Light. The High Brightness Wireless LED Strobe Light is a game changer in lighting technology, offering unmatched brightness and versatility. Ideal for event planners, DJs, first responders, and enthusiasts alike, its wireless control and customizable settings make it perfect for any situation. Targeted Facebook ad audiences include event organizers, DJs, emergency responders, outdoor enthusiasts, and homeowners looking for dynamic lighting solutions. Whether for parties, emergencies, or outdoor activities, this strobe light ensures safety, visibility, and ambience with its cutting-edge features and durable design. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 10K likes, 188 comments, 230 share. Now, if we take a look at the winning store's selling price for High Brightness Wireless LED Strobe Light, it's just under $15.99, whereas the product cost is only $3.74. So you're looking at a good profit margin. Our next product is the Double Wire Plug-in Connector. Sell the Double Wire Plug-in Connector for its unparalleled convenience, reducing wiring time by 70%. Ideal for various applications including vehicles, audio, video, and LED installations. Its durable polycarbonate construction ensures safety and longevity. Target Facebook ads at DIY enthusiasts, electricians, and automotive enthusiasts seeking efficient wiring solutions. Highlight benefits like time-saving, safety, and versatility to attract potential buyers seeking reliable electrical connectors. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 5.9K likes, 223 comments, 465 share. Now, if we take a look at the winning store's selling price for Double Wire Plug-in Connector, it's just under $9.99, whereas the product cost is only $0.67. So you were looking at a good profit margin. Our next product is the Hair Straightening Styler. Sell this hair straightening styler for its time-saving, scalp-safe technology and transformative results. Target Facebook ads to women aged 18 to 45 interested in beauty, hair care, and styling tools. Highlight its versatility with features like temperature control, anti-scald design, and anti-in hair care for silky, frizz-free locks. Emphasize its compact size, perfect for travel. Showcasing its ability to effortlessly create sleek, shiny hair in minutes will appeal to busy individuals seeking convenient yet effective styling solutions. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 58 likes, 50 comments, 6 share. Now, if we take a look at the winning store selling price for Hair Straightening Styler, it's just under $69.99, whereas the product cost is only $4.34. So you were looking at a good profit margin. Thanks for watching.